Okay, ma'am. I think my today's is the celebrity which I find inspirational for me is Sonu Sood. He's a great guy. He did a great things for the poor people in the COVID when everyone was taking benefits from the people. That guy was spending his entire profit, or we can say that even that guy giving money to the poor ones. He was arranging the bus on the roads by wearing a mask and handling all the situation over there. I think government was not doing well at that time, but Sonu Sood was doing a great job. And I, if I got the chance to meet that person, I really thank him for doing such humanity towards other. And even he's a many times I find that people, the poor people after these situation they face, they start calling them, and Sonu Sood creates a foundation on her name and on these names, and many people after they ask for the help. Even a girl from Lucknow asked for the help. She's an athlete and asked for a rifle from the Sonu Sood Foundation, and they provide her a rifle because though maybe that's costly for a middle class family to buy a rifle around 2 lakh per piece. I think that guy is a very amazing person, and we should do humanity towards other. If we have, if we can do these things, at least we can create a good change in the society as well. Thank you, man.
Wonderful. So yes, Anuj has crossed 2 minutes. So good job, Anuj. I can say that you are
Thank yes,
practicing. Okay,
yes, man.
perfect. So who's going to volunteer next? Come on, guys. You can see one person has already taken initiative. Yep,
Okay, ma'am, I will go the next.
perfect, Randhir. Let me just tell you your topic. Okay, I think you will like this topic. I feel so. Let's see. Okay, so Randhir, your topic is your favorite social media platform. Your favorite
Hmm.
social media platform, Randhir.
Okay, so thanks for the topic, ma'am. And my topic is like my favorite social media. So definitely, I would like to spend my time. Most of the time, I spend on Facebook. So definitely, because I have learned lots of things from Facebook. Because if I talk about the learning purpose, there is a lots of uh, ad is coming, which is running by the different classes and coachings, and you can say uh, like they are advertising their ads for the classes and their videos. So that's then I used to visit on their website, or sometime I used to visit on the YouTube, and that's why. And apart from that, I am getting the news, latest news within the 1 minute or within the second, you can say. And yeah, I'm also getting the update from about the what exactly happening around the world and around the our society. And I would like to choose the second social media, that is definitely YouTube, because YouTube I'm learning lots of things at the same from the YouTube. And because if I'll talk about the English, definitely there are lots of channels where we can learn our uh, grammar things and communication skills and how to pronounce the pronunciation. These are the things that we learn. So definitely after Facebook and YouTube, uh, if as a student, if I would like to utilize my time, then definitely I would choose Facebook and YouTube. These are the two social medias, which is my favorite one.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
perfect. Guys, clap for him. Nice. Okay, so Randhir, you have taken 1 minute 32 seconds. Not bad.
Okay.
And guys, I really want to know that who's your favorite, which is your favorite platform? As Randhir mentioned two, what about others? Ahmed, Yogen,
I
Anuj.
I think, man, these
Facebook.
days Instagram is trending
Nowadays,
everywhere.
Okay.
nowadays I'm
Yeah.
using LinkedIn. I think it's a very useful. If you guys
Yes.
will use LinkedIn, you will get entertainment also there. Right now, it's going on because
Yes.
I think
you can get the information also for your job purpose, and some people are also sharing the news, and for the your many informative video you can find there. So right
Perfect.
I
nowadays
think
I'm saying for the LinkedIn.
Okay.
yeah,
LinkedIn,
Ahmed, I
Instagram,
can.
and Mhm. Yes,
I
yes.
think, ma'am, LinkedIn is a platform for the jobs, and but these days people start posting their, I
Yeah.
think, how they feel after getting a job, and because
Many
most of the
guys
guys who don't have a
shared their
job, they only have
feedback.
LinkedIn.
True, true.
Yeah, that's a true, but posting the picture of something and just typing down, because everyone if everyone start posting such things, nobody will get the benefit of the platform. Why that is made for, we can say that.
Yeah. Yogen, what is
I
your
think,
favorite platform?
ma'am, Facebook is my favorite social media device, ma'am, media, ma'am. And because
Mhm.
of that, the main reason is like, ma'am, we don't have any idea. Like, we have a large amount of time, and we are free, and we can see a number of videos there. We can see a number of informations like news, etc. and etc. ma'am. So easily time कट जाता है ma'am.
सही है, perfect. Okay, Roshni, are you there?
यस मैम.
Okay, so आप बताएंगे आपका फेवरेट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है?
मैम फेसबुक.
1, 2, 3, 3 Facebook lovers. Nice. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Roshni, any reason why do you like Facebook?
यस मैम, क्योंकि मुझे उससे ना कुछ ऐप मिले. मैं उसमें लाइव वीडियो जो आता था ना, उसमें उस पर देखती थी, तो उसमें कुछ ऐप मतलब मेरे को मिलता है, तो वहां से मैंने कुछ ऐप इंस्टॉल किया जिससे मेरी नॉलेज बढ़ी, इसीलिए.
Perfect, perfect. Nice. Okay, guys. So now who's the next volunteer?
I'll be, ma'am.
Who said this? Ahmed?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ahmed, your topic, okay. This is something serious, but we can take it. Okay. So Ahmed, your topic is how do you manage stress? How do you manage stress, Ahmed?
Okay. Uh, firstly, when I feel stress, like it's depend that what which type of stress I'm facing. Like for the office, so most of the time I use ignoring to the challenge. Like if I have to complete some work in the office, so uh, I took rest for half an hour. Then I thought about, and then I think about that the work. So basically, when I feel stress for the work, I used to take help from the friends that how can I solve this. And if I didn't get any solution, then I ignore it for that time. For the time being, I ignore. After taking some rest, then I do again the same work, and most of the time I have completed the work. I was able to do the work. So I think I would like to say that if I talk about me, that how I face stress, so I keep going outside for the 15 to 20 minutes, and sometimes I went for a tea. There is a many tea places, and when you feel, I think when you feel stress, you should go outside on tapri. where you can get the tea. You can get the best advice sometime on there. Some peoples are always talking on that place, that what's going on in their life. You can listen only to that, and you can get the many benefits for your lifestyle. Some peoples are talking about her circumstances, that what's going with them in current situation, so you can get the help from there also. And I also take help from there, and sometimes I went outside to observe the people. When I observe the people, then I feel that I'm the luckiest person from the many of us. So that I use these tips and trick to manage my stress. That's all.
Thank you so much, Ahmed. Great. You have crossed like 2 minutes 30 seconds. Not bad. And yeah, one more question is there. You said that the people who are tea lover, they can go to Chapri or Tapri. What did you say? Tapri.
Tapri. Tapri.
Tapri,
It's
huh?
a small
But the,
tea stall called Tapri.
I got
Hmm.
that. But the people who are not tea lovers, for that, any advice? Like me, because I'm not a tea lover at all. So
Yes,
how,
ma'am.
where
Even
should we
I'm
Okay,
go?
not.
so people can go to the metro station and go outside to observe the people. When you see the people that what the going on with the people, some people are facing more and more struggle in compare little bit with you. So you can face your challenge, I think, in stress, and you
Ma'am,
can release your stress to see them.
Okay.
then you should go with coffee.
Yeah, that's the option. But I think like he has some other experiences, like as he mentioned. Okay, fine, perfect. So yes, हमने clapping तो कर दी ना अहमद के लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Or let's do it
Yes.
again, no issue. Okay, thank you so much, Ahmed. Now
Thank you
we
so
are
much.
left with two people जो कि I think बच रहे हैं starting से, Yogendra and Roshni. So who's going to go first?
Yes, ma'am. I will go, ma'am.
You will go. Perfect, Yogendra. Okay,
Okay.
let me just tell you your topic. Sorry. I think it's very simple, but okay, let's take it. Okay, so Yogendra, your favorite book, Yogendra.
Ma'am, uh, ma'am, I don't read much books, ma'am. Like, so I don't have any
Anuj,
favorite book, ma'am.
what is this?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
didn't tell him the
Yes, ma'am.
benefits. Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
And yes, ma'am. I can. Yes, ma'am.
You can? Great,
actually, I
great.
Uh,
think.
I'm speaking, ma'am.
Sure.
Actually, I didn't read any book, ma'am. And but I love to read holy books, ma'am, and listening about holy books, ma'am. And from that, ma'am, from these things, it's tells the value of our family, our elder sister and brothers also, and our elder respective persons. One more thing, if I'm feeling, ma'am, like demotivated, and I have faced a number of problems, then I used to like, ma'am, read or get to know more knowledge about by Bhagavad Gita, ma'am. This is my favorite, ma'am, book, and also it's a holy book, and it makes me motivated. And one of the best, ma'am, I what we can say, ma'am, the best thing of this book, ma'am, I personally feel like whenever you are in a problem, and by heart you are going to go through this, and ma'am, I don't say like you have to read a whole books, and you can read one or more, one or two pages. In between, you must feel like you are in a you are in a calm situation, and your problem is going away, ma'am. This kind of motivation you can get by reading Gita, ma'am, and this is my really favorite book, ma'am. And seriously, I didn't read this, ma'am. I only listen about my elders, like my grandpa and others, ma'am. That we discussed many things about Geeta ma'am. So this is my favorite.
Perfect, perfect. Amazing. So Yogesh, you have crossed 1 minute 58 seconds, and see, in first moment you thought like you don't read, but then you just remind that yeah, I know, I read and I know about something. So yeah, this is the beauty of this impromptu skills, that sometimes we feel that we do not know anything, but the moment we take first step, we get to know that yes, we know something, like we can say something about it. And as I already mentioned कि भाई देखो language कोई barrier नहीं है, हिंदी नहीं, इंग्लिश इंग्लिश नहीं, पंजाबी पंजाबी नहीं, हरियाणवी, वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस आवरसेल्फ, ओके. बट आप सारे
Yes,
लोगों ने इंग्लिश को सीरियस ले लिया, दैट्स नॉट माय फॉल्ट. यू ऑल स्पोक इन इंग्लिश, दैट्स नाइस. Okay, let's come to the last speaker. Roshni, are you there?
यस मैम,
आप रेडी हैं टॉपिक के लिए?
बताइए मैम,
अरे
प्लीज
वाह.
आस्क.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Sure, Roshni. So your topic is, what is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish, Roshni?
Okay, my favorite dish is chole chawal because I easily make this food, and my family is very like for this food, this dish. I also like.
Okay, and do you want to say anything like about it? कि क्या फायदे हैं इसको खाने के, पीने खाने के, दाल चावल, or anything like any experience you have, anything more?
दाल चावल के
किसी भी, आप हिंदी, बिहारी, पंजाबी, किसी भी बोल सकते हो जो कंफर्टेबल है. एक्सप्लेन करना है बस आपने. अच्छा, कुछ नहीं आ रहा तो आई हैव वन मोर थिंग टू आस्क यू, कैन आई? पूछूं
यस मैम,
रोशनी?
कुछ और पूछिए.
हाँ जी,
यस मैम,
कुछ और ये है, व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर, मॉल्स और मार्केट?
मॉल्स.
व्हाई सो?
बिकॉज मैम वहाँ के जो चीज होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा ही अच्छी होती है. ऐसा नहीं है वहाँ पे ज्यादा दाम में ज्यादा मतलब पैसे मिलते हैं इसीलिए वहाँ की चीज अच्छी होती है. बाकी वहाँ के जो चीजें हम लेते हैं, जो मार्केट से चीज लेते हैं, वो कंपेयर देन में मॉल ज्यादा अच्छा रहता है. मॉल का ज्यादा अच्छा रहता है मार्केट से ज्यादा, और मेरे को ज्यादा पसंद भी वही की चीज आती है. और उसी बहाने हम अच्छे से घूम भी लेते हैं वहाँ पे मॉल में. मार्केट में तो ज्यादा अच्छे से घूम भी नहीं सकते हैं, इसीलिए मेरे को मॉल के ही ज्यादा पसंद है.
So I think audience wants to know which is your favorite mall, isn't it, guys? We should ask.
VIP.
Yes,
Yeah.
GIP. Okay.
Yes मैम.
Okay, do you know the full name of this GIP?
ग्रेट इंडिया पैलेस.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, so guys, I am curious to know which is your favorite mall, everybody, from your places or from anywhere.
My favorite
all
mall
malls are
is the
same,
Grand
ma'am.
Venice Mall.
Venice
It's in
Mall,
Greater Noida.
Ahmed. Okay, and Yogen?
Ma'am, all malls are same. All are beautiful, ma'am. So how can
That's
differentiate?
good thing, you know, to be safe. Perfect. Don't mention your favorite mall's name. Okay, Randeep.
GIP and DLF.
Both. Okay, Anush.
I think my answer is same. I think just like Yogender, I think it didn't affect me, and I don't like to go such places until I have some demands to buy.
Yeah. I remember you have already told me because of some topic
Yes, ma'am.
earlier. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you ask me or not, I would like to tell you my favorite mall. So yeah, wherever I've gone, but my favorite is DLF. I don't know why, but I like that mall only. DLF, yeah, Noida.
What, ma'am?
Sorry.
What do you like for DLF? Like
Oh,
for
that's
what
good, Ahmed.
thing?
That's good.
That is a
You have
Uh,
cross question. Okay, I'm ready to answer. So why do I like the small? So recently, like before Christmas, before Christmas, I went there with my mom. So I like the food out there. So there's a restaurant named Punjabi Rasoi something, or Punjabi something. It was the name, and I ate the food. I loved it. and that's why I can say I like this stuff. What was the name? DLF, right?
Okay.
Other than that, before Christmas I went there, na? Right? Yeah. So decoration and everything was superb, and there are many things. Like there are many options. If you have something in your pocket, you can just enjoy there. So yeah.
मैम एक ये
Okay.
DLF आपके नजदीक भी पड़ता है ना, इसलिए भी आपको अच्छा लगता है।
Yogendra, how do you know
I
this?
would like to suggest also for the DLF, and if you want to eat something in DLF and you don't have budget, you can go in the staff canteen in DLF. That is in
Okay.
the basement. You
Acha.
can go. You can take food there in 100 rupees only. Okay,
In
100
so
DLF?
this is the in DLF. You can go the staff canteen. It's
Okay.
in the parking. So many
Okay, I'll-
times I went there. I wandered the DLF. But I took food in from the canteen. So this is the
Okay.
secret.
Ground
I'll
that you
floor.
can
definitely go there.
Ground floor.
no, it's a basement, second basement, P2.
Basement.
You can go in the P2
Acha, then I'm
and
not
you can
aware.
find the canteen.
Acha, acha, acha.
I'll
Okay,
go
guys.
definitely there.
Next time, guys, we'll go there.
Only
Huh?
few people know about that. Actually, they allow only staff, but they don't care whoever is coming
Okay.
because so you can go. There is
Earnings
a
also.
Generally,
playroom also,
boys
so
know
I
these
used to
kind
be
of
there.
places. If I'm not wrong,
Yeah.
boys know these
Yeah.
kind of places.
No one can find this type of place in mall. Like you can get the tea in 10 rupees there, and you can get the thali in 50 rupees. And you can say to the people that I have taken food in DLF.
Oh, that's good. Okay, perfect, fine. So I think all of you have got the chance to speak. Nobody's left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, now there is timer also that this meeting will end after 6 minutes. Before it ends, I don't want to trouble you again to send the link and join me again. So now this is the final time. I really want to know your feedback. Okay, like after speaking in front of different people, because you were not aware, right, that people are joining, and people will be different,
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
but you guys took that courage and appeared in the meeting. So yeah, please share your feedback. Anyone, any line, any word, you're welcome.
Yeah, I'm feeling very grateful. Like I attended this session. I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling happy to see you guys. That Sunday is getting good right now. That I sometimes there is no one to talk in English. I want to talk in English, but so today I got a chance to express some my feeling. So I'm feeling very happy to attend this session. Thank you so much,
Nice.
ma'am,
We
for
can see your smile.
arranging
Thank
the
you.
same.
Thank you so much, Ahmed. Yeah. Anyone else?
Yeah.
Actually, I was also very excited when ma'am sent me when ma'am asked me for the for the meeting, and at that time even I said ma'am to the ma'am, yeah, definitely I will be available on time and whatever the time you will choose, and whatever the expect. I don't think that even earlier I was not thinking that that in our session will be that more interactive, but after that lots of interactions with everyone, so I think it is a nice experience, and definitely I would like to, if I'll get a chance to attend such session, then definitely I will be available.
Perfect. Thank you, Randeep. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's a great experience.
Okay. Perfect, Anuj.
I can say that, and yes, ma'am.
No, you were saying
Yes,
something. You can explain. No issue.
Yeah. And when I got the message, I think in the that you were saying organizing a meetup, just like a meetup, and I think that's a great thing to experience because we never met such new guy ever even. Yes, ma'am. I think it's a great
Understand.
experience. And yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for arranging a meeting, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anuj, for liking it. Yes, Yogesh. Again, last.
ma'am. Yes, it is very great experience, ma'am. And after a long time, I'm interacting with you, ma'am, and some other unknown guys, ma'am. But ma'am, the meeting was good, and one of the best thing, ma'am. Well, you know, ma'am, as you know, when I was in Noida and I was in interview Gyan, that time, we got nervous while we got a chance in and speaking to in front of others. But now, ma'am, uh, because of you, seriously, ma'am, once again, ma'am, I'm saying, because of you, ma'am, you uh, taught me, ma'am, and something about like, ma'am, advanced things and how we can express, how we can speak, how we can make our communications, ma'am, good. And ma'am, now I'm seriously saying, ma'am, because of you, it is because of you, and this session is also, ma'am, great. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you for your wonderful words. Seriously, I didn't expect that you would like it this much because I was, I haven't never ever tried this thing with any other students. This idea just struck me, I would say, yesterday night. And I was like, I should try it out. In the morning, I wrote a
Okay.
message, send it to you, and you all showed that interest that I was like, "Ki, chalo, let's do it. Kuch to acha hoga." And now I'm feeling that, yeah, this is superb. Seriously, guys, your presence, your smiley
Yeah.
faces, your like, after a long time, I've seen you speaking in English on different topics on the spot without any hesitation. I'm super duper happy. Seriously. And I'm sure that you guys are going to do best in your life. And yeah, at last, I would like to say Happy New Year. And you are truly deserving to get whatever you want in your life. So keep trying and keep focusing on your career, your health, and yeah, make yourself proud and your family, and do something better for yourself and the people around you. And definitely, everybody will remember you like me because you have done a great thing to appear in the meeting to make it successful. Seriously, because without your presence, it would not have been possible. So I'm really grateful to all of you. And now we are 5 people. Let me just take a picture so that I can share with all of you. You can do some poses, anything, whatever you like. Okay. Let me take one more. Perfect. Randir, why are you so serious? Just smile.
Okay, I have to
Or-
smile. Okay.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Great, guys. Great. Okay, so now this meeting will end automatically. So we are free now. Anything you want to say? Bye bye. Take care. Whatever you want to say, you can.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Timer is 1
Okay.
minute
Just
16 seconds. Hanji,
okay.
bolo.
Thank you so much,
If
ma'am.
anyone want, just listen to me. Maybe it will help you that. I have a laptop called i3 processor. So if anyone want, they can get only in 12,000 right now because I need a high processor laptop. So I
So
have a
you can
laptop
sell it
in.
on OLX. So I think you have to put in on
Actually,
OLX.
many fraud person is going on OLX,
No,
so
no,
I
you
don't
will
want
have
to go
to
there.
simply you will have to ask them, and
It's
once
urgent.
they will
Actually, I
visit.
have to buy the i7 laptop. That's why I'm selling my old one. It's a i3.
Okay,
So
I
if
will say
anyone
to one of the
interested, they can
person
come.
who is who has who
But
is
you can
working
get
in
it only in 12,000. Okay, it's
actually there
nice.
is in
It's
sector
a great
22
condition.
there is a person who has a repairing shop, laptop repairing shop. So I have his contact number. Might be most of the people are visiting there. So once you will
Okay.
contact with him and ask him that is there any person who can take that laptop, so might be he will suggest you the best person.
And don't
Thank
worry,
you
I'll
so
share
much,
his
ma'am.
number. Ahmed, I'll share his number.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. And one more secret I have to ask from Ahmed. Even
Yeah.
at the end of session, I would like to say I think he is working